Resource Center for Educational Technology. As we know, there are so many resource center for education technology. Today we will discuss one by one. First of all, education technology has the potential to provide equal opportunities in several ways. As we know, it provides equal opportunities in several ways. Technology in the form of telecommunications allow access to people, interactive conference and interactive tutorials through online database on the internet. Through online database, we can use technology for the access to people, interactive conference and interactive tutorials. Centers are places where we can have provision of the needed main materials resources for providing essential theoretical and practical knowledge, skills, applications and attitudes and interests related with the use of education technology to the concerned person or improving the process and products of education in general and the teaching learning process in particular. We know that for technology we require man material also. With the help of man material we can develop so many technologies. We can use technology in so many ways. Now few leading resource centers. First, Central Institute of Education Technology, CIET, UGC, University Grant Commission, IGNOU, Indira Gandhi National Open University, the National Institute of Open Science, NIOS, SIET, State Institute of Educational Technology, Audiovisual Research Center, AVRC, Educational Multimedia Research Center, EMRC, the National Institute of Science and Technology, NIST. Today we will discuss about Central Institute of Educational Technology, which is known as CIET. As we know, the Central Institute of Education Technology is an autonomous organization formed as a nodal agency under the National Council of Educational Research and Training, NCERT, for promoting the use of mass media technology for expanding and improving the quality of education at the school level. The most important thing is that it is developed for promoting the use of mass media technology. For what purpose? For expanding and improving the quality of education at the school level. The institute is funded by the Ministry of Human Resource Development, Government of India. Origin of the institute. The Central Institute of Educational Technology, CIT, was established in 1984 by the Ministry of Human Resource Development of Government of India under the umbrella of NCERT. The institute is located at NIE campus, NCERT in New Delhi, the capital of India. I think it is clear, this point is very much clear to you. The origin of the institute was affected by the merging two departments of NCERT, Center for Educational Technology, and the second one is Department of Teaching Aids. What is the purpose for that? With an aim to make the new age technology in mass media available at the school level. This is the main objective for which the NCERT used two departments of NCERT. The activity of the institute are concerned on the branches of media such as radio, television, movies, satellites, communications and cyber media. You know this, the activity of the institute are centered on the branches of media. Without media we cannot use the technology or this type of technology. CIT is involved in various activities such as design, development and dissemination of alternative learning system, promotion of educational technology, training of personnel in educational technology. Roles of CIT. First, to design and produce media software, especially mass media, radio and television. For what purpose? For interactive multimedia and web-based learning resources utilizing ICT to enrich the transactions of curricular activities at different levels of school education. To optimize the utilization of EduSat communication technologies on national channels like Doordarshan, Gyandarshan and Gyanvani. Okay? To explore and infuse the appropriate and critical use of interactive digital content, web-based communication and participatory network. documentation of educational media programs and research for enhancing utilizations, organize capacity building programs for teachers and teacher educators in concept and applications of techniques and technologies for improving classroom instruction and their management process, and SIET personnel in scripting, production of media, researches and technical operations. Now, what are the focus area of CIET? Development of e-contents. Development of e-contents, that means the audio, visual and multimedia disseminate of e-contents through telecast, broadcast on DD1, Gyanvani, Gyandarshan channels and sales machines. Integrate ICTs in teaching learning process through capacity building among teachers. Regular program activities being organized. Training and retraining of teachers and teachers educators in educational technology and ICT. I think these points are very much clear. Aims at bringing about improvement of education through various kinds of educational technologies. Deals with pre-primary, primary, secondary and university education, open university education, adult education and so on. Functions of the CIET. The major functions of the CIET are as follows. Designing alternative learning system to deal with the problem of education. Orientation of educational planners, administrators to the concept of the educational technology. Training in specialized area, radio, audio, television and video production and low cost teaching aids. Production of audio visual educational materials and other low cost aids. Research and evaluation to test and improve system methods and materials. Extension of service for supplying and screening of educational films, videotapes and audio tapes to Doordarshan. These are the functions of the CIET. Now, major activities: planning the TV curriculum, training script writers, producers, researchers and technical staff, production of educational programs and research, playing a vital role in implementing various innovative projects in educational technology both at national and state level. So this was the details of CIET. In next class we will study about the UGC. So please go through the UGC and we will meet you tomorrow.